Going on, everybody? It's Cryptip Help. I'm back again on this Friday morning, and today I'm going to discuss my trade setup yesterday, how I managed to get it in significant profit, and I'm just going to take a step back and show you how I managed to set up this trade. So it might look complex at the start when I show you all the tools that are in the that are on the exchange, but I'm going to strip it all back and I'm going to show you how I've done it. So looking at this, it may look complex to you. So we're just going to delete it all. And I'm going to talk you through what I did yesterday. So for me personally, right guys, you've got Fantom USDT on the hour. And as you can see, this year has had a significant support since June the 22nd. So this is what I would do, right? First and foremost, before I do anything, I get where's my support. So I put my support line and I go like this, look, boom. That goes in green. I'll make it a slightly higher so you can see, thicker, sorry. So these lines are support. Every time it's come down to these levels, it's had a reaction and it's bounced to the upside. So yesterday, same again happened. I'm just going to put this downtrend in. So this is a downtrend, guys, from here. Every time it's hit this level, it's responded. As you can see, look, boom. Resistance, come down, boom, resistance, resistance. And what my plan was, I could see this was support. So yesterday, I seen this pattern forming. So you can see we broke down and immediately we've responded and we've finished above the line. The candles finished above the line again. And then we'll come to test it again. So this here, guys, is a perfect entry for the upside. And remember, Bitcoin was also going up. So Fantom was lagging behind every other coin. So looking through here on the right, I seen everything was green and Fantom was red. I think it was % down. And I think it's lagging behind everything else. So this is going to be a perfect entry. So what I did is I wait for this candle to close above the line. And this was my entry. We had a little retest. So I'm going to show you my little power tool that I used. So I put my long position in. It was 2918. That was it there, look. So that was my entry, and I had my stop loss round about 1.34 under this previous low, and my risk was all the way up to 0.32. Reward was up to 3.2. So this is the trade how it played out yesterday, guys. So I'm going to zoom in on the 15-minute chart to show you what happened. So as you can see on the entry, perfect entry, guys. And then it's just absolutely blasted off. Now, this is me trade at the moment. So as you can see, what I've done is I've 13x leveraged. So say I've borrowed £100. I can times that by 13 and that's how much I'm using as leverage. Now, it's very easy to make money and it's very easy to lose money. So if you're not confident with this, I wouldn't advise going on leverage. But this is just for educational purposes. So as you can see, my entry price was 0.2918, and this is the market price at the moment. And as you can see, guys, $409. It's like nearly 100% on your money in one day. So this is what happened. We've come down, we tested it, and we've exploded to the upside. We've actually broke through this downtrend, which was resistance, look, for so long. Well, not for so long, but for a while. It couldn't break it, and it's broke it. And then we've come back inside again. And then again, we've exploded to the upside. So what my plan is, what I have done, is once we've exploded here and we've retested, I moved my stop loss. So my stop loss coming to these areas, look. So that means if the price breaks down and hits these, I get stopped out, but I'm stopped out in profit. And again, guys, sorry, I'll just delete that. We've come down, retested this downtrend, and now it's support, and we've exploded again. And you can see we've come back to retrace. So what did I do? Move my stop loss round to this area. So every time I'm moving my stop losses, as you can see, you're getting higher. You've got a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, and another higher low. So every time we go up these areas, you put your support in. And as you can see, we've come from this as support to this as support. So if it breaks down and hits that, yes, I'll be stopped out, but I'll be stopped out in significant profit. if this starts to take off again up to here, like this, look, and then come back down and retrace, I'll just move my stop loss back up to this area. So either way, you can make money. So guys, it's quite simple. Trading doesn't have to be difficult. It can be quite simple. You can lose a lot of money if you get it wrong. So I would never advise to go in on leverage. But if you have got a bit of experience and you're on the smaller time frames, so you can get a better entry, I would suggest using that. Or you can zoom out, because once you zoom out, it looks totally different to being on the smaller time frames. So as you can see, it looks so different. Can I get this off now? So this is just a quick guide of how I set up yesterday's trade. And like I say, guys, you're nearly 100% in profit. Now I'm going to continue to write this because the market's quite strong at the moment. And if you look, Bitcoin's strong as well. And if Bitcoin's strong, the rest of the market's strong. So now we're breaking out of this now, and I think we can go to the upside again, even more. So it's going to be an exciting Friday. So guys, that's just a quick sort of guide on how I set up my trades, how it played out perfectly. It doesn't always happen, but as long as you've got your risks small and your rewards high, you can do well. You can get a couple of trades where you get stopped out and it can be disheartening. Then you get this one trade that explodes and it covers all them losses and more. But as long as you're doing the right things and not breaking any stupid rules by just jumping in with FOMO, you can do all right. So guys, just before we leave, I got up to the 400 subscribers mark, so I'm absolutely buzzing with that. And I think in the next video, I'm going to do a crypto giveaway like I did it last year, I think, where I give a few thousand Zilliqa away and T-Fuel and stuff. So I'm going to do that again, and when we hit 450 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway. So guys, if you like the content, please hit the like button. Subscribe always, I'd appreciate it. And if you want more videos about this, then just hit underneath the comments and let us know what you want us to discuss. So guys, have a great Friday, and I'll see you all in the next video.